What is ultrasound? The first thing you may think of is babies. Did you know that sonographers can do so much more? We can see the kidney, liver, reproductive organs, vessels and heart, muscles and tendons, and so much more. What exactly is a sonographer? We're known as Diagnostic Medical Sonographers, but we call ourselves Sonographers for short. To do our job, we use sound waves to see human anatomy and detect problems that you usually can't see from looking at someone. We put together clinical history, lab data, and images to create a clear picture for the doctor. For lab data, their charts may indicate that they have an issue with their blood, liver, or that they may even be pregnant. For clinical history, a patient may come in with pain or fever. With all this information, we do an ultrasound exam on the patient's body and take pictures like this one here. Along with the image, we write a short and sweet description of what we see. For instance, if we see an abnormality in this patient's right kidney, we would say that this is a large, simple cyst seen in the lower pole of the right kidney. Another way to look at this is with an analogy. Let's say we're baking a cake. We would need eggs, milk, and flour to make the cake. Similarly, in a clinical setting, in order to help the doctor make a diagnosis, we need the clinical history, lab data, and the image. So where do sonographers work? You can work in a hospital or clinic as a sonographer or clinical instructor. If you don't want to work in the clinical setting, you can choose to be an application specialist. As an application specialist, you can teach other sonographers how to use newly developed machines. If you've always wanted to teach and are also passionate about ultrasound, you can teach at one of the many accredited schools in Canada. If you like the way this sounds, let's find out what skills you need to become a sonographer. You would need a strong knowledge of human anatomy and physiology, excellent oral communication skills, the ability to multitask, hand-eye coordination, and teamwork skills. All of the mentioned skills are important because in the big scheme of things, it's all about the patient at the end of the day. Interested in becoming a sonographer now? There are many ultrasound programs across Canada to make your dreams become a reality. Each school has different admission requirements, so make sure you check with the school before you apply. For more information about sonography, check out the Canadian Society of Diagnostic Medical Sonographers website at www.csdms.com. This video has been presented to you by aspiring future sonographers Su Chu Lam, Denise Shi, and Trisha Zhou.